Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. This one is a pretty special build and shoot that I did with Gear Seekers and I think you're gonna love it. AORUS and INTEL got in touch and asked us to put together a custom system for an audio-visual experience being shot with renowned Aussie DJ and artist Timmy Trumpet. So this is the InWin 309 chassis with the RGB display in the front panel, probably the perfect crazy looking case to use for such a project. And of course, we've got an i9 10900K CPU running inside this machine, powered by the Z490 AORUS Master motherboard. Unfortunately, no RTX 30 series since we built and shot this system before the new cards launched. You'll find the full specs in the video description, along with the Gear Seekers version of this video, as well as the actual audio-visual experience video featuring this system and Timmy Trumpet. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video. It was awesome to get to work on such a project and shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. Thanks again to AORUS and Intel. Drop us a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.